So here we are, February 15th, 2026, here in Yorktown, Virginia. We got a slight drizzle starting. We're expecting an all-day rain. It's going to be slightly different than yesterday, which was absolutely gorgeous. And now today, it's going to be in the lower 40s and cold and rainy. One of the things I'm going to have to do here in the next couple of days is take the hummingbird feeders down and give them a boil. And if I don't get everything out of them, they're going to have to get recycled and get new ones. Here's alongside of the house, and you can see we're coming up here on hydrangea, and it looks dead, but it's not. And here, yay, we actually have a daffodil that is getting ready to pop open. Let's hope it doesn't snow again. And then we have the last of my azaleas. I have this wonderful hedge between our driveway and the driveway next door. And they are full of wonderful little teeny tiny little birds, little black birds, little brown birds, all sorts of other birds. I've got this wonderful bird feeder that I try to fill but frequently forget to, but the birds really love it. I get woodpeckers on here all the time. And here's the last part of the hedge work. And again, we get all sorts of wonderful little teeny tiny birds. We get thrushes and wrens and all sorts of neat stuff. So that's the garden. There are a few more pieces of the yard that I'm going to be maintaining throughout the year and making adjustments to, and I appreciate you joining me on this gardening journey. Remember, there's no judgments, just dirt, bugs, growth, and life.